So for today, I hate starting sentences with the word so. Today, as promised, the last video I did, I want to talk about the cheaper bourbons you can buy that are relatively easier to find. I tried my best to keep most of this list under $30. I think this one is in the $40 range, but this is cheaper stuff that you can find that is amazing. These are my personal go-to. You can tell this one and this one are new because I go through them so quickly. But the first one is the Russell's 10-year. This is pretty available. It's a good alternative for the 13 or the Russell's Special, whatever it's called. And it's also another solid substitute for Blanton's. This is an incredible drink. If you haven't tried it, give it a go. Four Roses. It's tried and true. It's amazing in its own right. And the fact that this bottle is $20, maybe $25, this is absolutely a go-to. Cannot recommend it enough. Weller Green. This is one that is a little bit harder to find if out of Ohio and Texas, I believe. I've seen these go for like $70 in stores, but here they're $25 and they're pretty available online. So you should be able to. It's a good alternative for any of the Wellers, except like the good ones, but it's a solid pour. I like it better than the red. Buffalo Trace, stock standard Buffalo Trace bottom, $25 for a bottle of it. It's hard to find a better deal than this one. Out of this whole list, it's probably this is my go-to just straight sipper. This is great for mixing cocktails, and this is good for just spirit and Coke, or just the and soda mixture of it. Which is Wild Turkey 101, 101 proof. It's cheap and it'll get you trashed. Doesn't taste bad and it's perfect for the job. The Elijah Craig Small Batch. Again, it's the bottom shelf Elijah Craig, but bottom shelf for Elijah Craig is higher end than most bourbons. So this is my short, sweet list of bourbons under $30, $40 that are a great alternative to the really expensive ones like I did in the last video. So guys, if you would please, let me know what you think down below. If you want to see any other list videos, give me some ideas of what you would like to see. I am clearly more than willing to do anything that is a decent video. And leave a comment. It's good for the algorithm. We're just about to hit 2,000 subs, which is amazing. And all we can do is grow from here. Thank you for watching.